Recycle, recycle, recycle. Save money and save the environment. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, 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 welcome. If you're not doing this, you need to do this. Stay to the end for more interesting stuff that you're gonna see. So, what I'm talking about is visit your local recycling center, and let me tell you, you're gonna be able to save money and save the environment by doing this, making use of the recycling. So, I'm here at my town's recycling facility, and they have a whole section for recycling of all types of materials. And over here you can see this is a compost pile. Over here you can get compost for your garden, a raised bed, and any other projects that you need compost. And you don't need a truck to do it. You can use barrels, and you can use containers like this and just get good quality um, compost for your garden. um, Also, you can definitely bring your trash. As you can see over here, I'll show you over here. You can bring your yard debris, trash, leaves, grass clippings, and other stuff. Dump it over here, and they process it, and then the town residents are able to get compost from it. So here is what they have, the dumping area over here. Let me just take you through various areas. Cars just come in, trucks just come in and drop their yard waste over here. As you can see, all this pile over here is yard waste, so you don't need to um, dump it in your trash can. You can just put it in the back like this, or just bring it in any format containers and just dump it over here. So you can see there's heaps and heaps of trees, grass clippings, leaves, and other stuff. Sorry, it's a little bit raining right now, but you can see even tree trunks and tree branches on this side over here. You have another resident over here dropping some stuff up. So you can definitely bring your stuff here and recycle, and within 6 months to a year, all these, it's going to be broken down. Most of it is going to be broken down to compost that you can use in the garden. You can use in your in any area that you need compost, or you need soil to fill up an area. You can use that. So you can see there's a lot of stuff being dumped out over here. Over here they have some mulch. You can see composted mulch over here on the right, and then the new mulch that was just made over here. So definitely check it out. Check out your local um, local recycling centers. It might not be the same. It might have some different things there, but you can see this is already started broken down already. This can be good for like your garden, raised beds, and other stuff. And these ones are new ones over here. Let me just check it out. You can see these ones are really new that are still not started broken down yet, but these are all stuff that you can find at your local recycling centers. Some towns have it, some towns might not, but most towns might have recycling area like this where they have all the stuff that is brought over here for recycling. I will take you to the other sections where they have all the gadgets and other stuff that you can use for your um, either you can use or you can drop off your stuff over here. So over here, this is a whole container of tanks, fire extinguishers, and other propane tanks that are being recycled. Over here you have glass is dumped in here. If you need a nice glass container, you can use that nice glass container in the garden or in aquarium or something else. Somebody doesn't want it anymore, they just dump it over here. These are all containers of different things. Let's just open a few of them and show you what they have in there. So this, we just pull it out like that. I finally realized that this is cardboard. So they have cardboard here. People just come and dump their cardboard. If you need cardboard for any project, or you want to use cardboard, or you want to get rid of your cardboard, this bin over here is all for cardboard. And the next bin over here, let's check it out. And this is styrofoam and other types of stuff that you can recycle. You can dump it over here, or if you need something like that, you can grab it from over here and be able to use it. Same with this over here. Same, this is just trash and other stuff that's been dumped over here. But this looks more like plastic, but it's not. This is soft plastic over here. Over here, they have some other big containers that they have different things in them. This one has somebody's putting some stuff in there, but these are just bulk items that you can put in there. In this one, you have, this is mattress. People just come and they don't need the mattress anymore, so they just come and leave the mattress here. So if you have mattress, you can recycle it, leave it here. Maybe if somebody needs a mattress, maybe they might think about using it. But over here, another dump bin that they put other recycled stuff in there. You can see somebody over here emptying their dump bin. So they have a couple of other bins over here. See this is plastics. So people can come and drop their stuff over here. On this side, you have another cardboard mixed with type of different cardboards. This huge bin over here is hard plastics. Let's check it out. You can see the people bring a lot of plastics and different types of plastic, hard plastics over here that they don't need anymore. So if you have any hard plastics that you don't need, you just dump it over here. If you can also find some great plastics over here that you can use for other stuff around the house or around the garden or container gardening and stuff like that. This one over here, tires. They have tires that they recycling. Let's just go up and check. They just dump tires over here and they recycle the tires. You can see this inside. There's a lot of tires. People. So if you intend to recycle tires, you can come over here and grab those tires to recycle and use it for other DIY projects and other stuff. Over here they have bottles. Here's where they have bottles and cans. They come and drop all the bottles and cans over here for recycling. So they have a whole full trailer of that, and they have some other over here. Let's check out this one over here. Over here they have a whole section for these are all big bulky items. You have bikes over here that are thrown. You have machines over here. You have fridges, and you have some other stuff that are dumped in here. So you have a big like microwaves and other stuff. You can just dump it in here, and you can see what they have. Even metal and other stuff. This is all metal and other metal materials go in here. So you can definitely, if you have a project that requires metals, you can also get some metal stuff from over here for your garden project, outdoor projects, and other stuff. So definitely check it out. Also over here they made a whole ramp that you can just climb up and get it and dump it. But let's check it out. So over here they have paint only. They have all, if you have old paint and other paint containers that you don't need anymore, you can bring them over here. They recycle the paint containers also, and the paint that is in there. You can see the different variety of paints and cans and containers over here. So if you have any paints that you want to recycle, check out your local recycling center. You might be able to get rid of it over there, or you might be able to get some paint over here. If you need small paint to do a small project, you might be able to get some paint over here. You can see these are all big barrels of containers that paint have been drained or poured into. And so over here, you can see they have refrigerators over here. These ones are still refrigerators that are in good working conditions. Even the people might not need the refrigerators anymore, or the ACs, or any equipment that they don't need anymore. You can just you can grab it over there. Here they have clothes. If you have clothes that you want to recycle, you can dump them in there. And over here, if you have books, You can also dump books over here that's been given to charity. You can dump it over here too. If you like more videos like this, let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what you liked about the video and what you like to see in the next one. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos, and share the video. If you like the video, share the video. Thanks for watching. Take care.